Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to get him to like you back. So I'm going to get very in depth with this subject. This isn't going to be a band-aid fix or a shortcut for how to get a guy to like you. This is going to be the straight up truth for how to authentically get this guy, or in fact any guy, to like you. This advice honestly applies to all men and to just trying to find real authentic love, genuine love, and something real. Okay, this isn't some mind game tricks that I'm going to give you. This is the straight up truth. And if you follow all the things that I'm saying in this video, you're not going to have any problems getting guys to like you. It's not going to be an issue in your life anymore, and you will have evolved from this problem. I myself have gone through this. I have been with men that did not share the same feelings as me. I have been ghosted by men. I have been rejected by men. I have even been in serious relationships and dumped. So I understand how you're feeling, and that's no longer an issue in my life. I've overcome that. Okay, so how to get a guy to like you back is that first you have to understand the concept that you cannot control how a guy feels about you, what he thinks, what his emotions are. That's not something that you have control over. So you literally have to energetically let that go. Let go of trying to influence how a guy feels. The thing that you do have control and power over is you, yourself. There is no magic spell that you can cast on him. There's no secret text. There is just you, who you are, your personality, how intelligent you are, how confident you are. These things you have control over. You have to demonstrate that you are a person of value if you want men to be attracted to you and to like you back and to want to be with you. They have to see value in you. That's how it works. That is the way the world works, not just when it comes to love and relationships. That's the way the world works when it comes to wealth, to how much money you're going to be making, friendships, to everything. That's called the law of reciprocity, and whether or not you buy into it, it's still going to be working in your life, whether or not you believe in it or not. Who you are as a person is what you are going to attract in your life, and it's going to determine the quality of people that are going to end up in your life and whether or not they're even going to want to keep you in their life. So once you understand this, your whole life is going to change. Because then your focus will no longer be on trying to control outside things outside of yourself that honestly you have no control over. And it will be now directed to yourself, changing yourself, bossing up, as they call it, leveling up, becoming amazing. And once you do these things, you will be like honey attracting the bees. I'm telling you, guys will be coming at you left and right. This guy that you're focused on now, you might not even want him. You actually might even have much higher standards than this guy that you actually are trying to get you to like you back. And you might be thinking, oh my God, I can't believe I thought this guy was attractive. What was I thinking? I'm serious. This happens. This happened to me. So you need to have the attitude that you are going to bring it. You are going to bring it. And the first thing is building your confidence, learning how to build your confidence to be a confident, beautiful woman. Okay, and once you're confident, then you'll naturally have that attitude when it comes to everything in life. But the best way to build your confidence is to do things that make you feel like you're useful and like you're valuable. Improving yourself, self-care, eating better, exercising. There's no shortcuts here. You know these things. But I'm telling you these things because they actually work. They work. So there's a reason why people keep preaching this stuff. It's because these principles are the foundation for how to build confidence. If you want to be a confident person, you have to intrinsically love yourself. And so in order to intrinsically love yourself, you have to do things on a daily basis through your actions to show yourself that you love yourself. So you have to eat healthy, you have to exercise, you have to have proper rest, you have to start building your skills, start building your value as a person. So there is something that you are good at or that you really enjoy doing that you could actually master. Okay, you could become a master at it. And that is you in your world building a skill. That's going to make you a person of value, and then therefore it's going to make you more confident in yourself, because you're going to feel like you have skills and you have things to offer the world. So my point is that you can't just sit there in a reactionary state of mind and expect people to just like you back. You have to realize that you actually have control over this, that you can control if people like you back. You can, in fact, get so confident, so authentic, so intelligent, so attractive that like 98% of people who meet you will like you. It's not like you don't have control over that. There's going to be the odd person that's just literally insane or crazy or not mentally stable, or maybe your personalities clash too much, and then, you know, there is just no way that you're going to like each other. But that is honestly the exception to the rule. If you become a likable person, confident, attractive, people are just automatically going to like you, whether or not it's romantic or not. It will be in work, it will be just, you know, meeting people at a bar. It doesn't even have to be guys. It could be women too. Women will like you. My point is that you can change the energy that you are emitting to people, and they will be able to sense if you are authentic or not, if you are honest, if you are a good person, if you are confident, if you are magnetic, charismatic, maybe you're funny. People like these traits. They are automatically, magnetically drawn to them. So if you can adopt these traits and become that type of a person, you're not going to have any issues getting any guy to like you back. Don't think you're attractive. I didn't think so either. I struggled with my self-image of myself for over a decade. And I learned through trial and error how to become the most beautiful version of myself. It took a lot of trial and error. It took a lot of energy and work. I'm not going to say it's going to be easy, but you can transform how you look, how attractive you appear to other people. And I'm not saying that this is a be-all, end-all, but it is important and it is a factor when it comes to how people are going to judge your value. It's just psychology. It's not the only factor. Like, there's personality and there's intelligence, there's other things, but your appearance and your attractiveness is something that you just can't ignore. You have to address it. If you guys want to know how I became beautiful using the law of attraction, check out my video, How I Became Beautiful Using the Law of Attraction. And also, if you guys want to know my top 10 beauty tips that I wish I had known in my 20s, because I'm 30, I just turned 30, check out my top 10 beauty tips I wish I knew in my early 20s. I will link both those videos below for you in the description. It goes very in detail and in depth. Save yourself possibly years of trial and error. Do you think that you're dumb? Okay, a lot of people have this insecurity. There's nothing wrong with it. I had a moment in my life where I was actually seeing a guy that was 10 years older than me, very, very smart, intelligent guy, and I felt very dumb. I couldn't keep up with the conversations that he was trying to hold with me. He was bringing up subjects that I literally had no clue what he was talking about. And it was from that moment on that I realized I am never going to be in this position again. I am never going to feel this ignorant again with somebody if I can help it. And that is when I decided that I want to become smarter. And it's not even a matter of IQ. When you appear intelligent to someone, it's not your IQ. Okay, so don't think that you don't have control over how intelligent you can appear to people. What actually makes someone genuinely intelligent is the fact that you are open-minded, you have the ability to see other people's perspectives, and you were curious. Those are the two main traits that you need in order to start building your intelligence, building your knowledge base. You just need to have the curiosity and the genuine enthusiasm to want to learn new things and truly be curious, and you have to have the open-mindedness to be able to see other people's points of view. But you can slowly over the years start building your knowledge base of different subjects. It's not like you go to school, you learn these random things in school, and that's it for your learning. Your learning should never stop. You should always be learning and always be in the mindset of a student. This is going to build your intelligence as the years progress. You don't have to learn the boring way. If you don't like to read books, there are other ways to learn. There's so many options. There's just no excuse not to have a general knowledge of general subjects in life. You can learn on YouTube, watch videos, and listen to podcasts. You can listen to audiobooks. And there's also an app called Blinkist. This is a book summary app. So basically it just summarizes all of the most popular non-fiction books. If you don't want to read an entire book, you just want the key points, you can do that now. You can literally read a book, the summary of a book, in like 2 minutes. I'll link it below in the description if you want to check that app out. There's just endless options. It'll take a couple years for you to get a grip and for you to feel like you have a good knowledge of a lot of subjects, but the time's gonna pass anyways, okay? And let me tell you, this is going to pay off. It will pay off many, many, many times over. This is one of the best investments that you could ever make in yourself as a person to build your confidence, intelligence, and personality, is to learn every day learn. Replace one show of Netflix with a video that's going to teach you something. It could just be that simple. And over time, as the years progress, you will know a lot of things all of a sudden. You'll realize that. Once you really delve into who you are as a person, building your skills, your confidence, how attractive you are going to have very, very different standards for what you are looking in a partner. And it's going to be very specific. You are actually going to have a really great chance of finding someone that is truly compatible with you. It's not going to be some random thing where you randomly fall in love with someone. The odds are going to be in your favor if you work on yourself as a person. If you guys have any relationship questions, please DM me at my Instagram at lyrascotchz. I would love to make a video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!